3%. So 3% means 3 over 100. So first of all, we'll write in fraction first. So now, because it's no decimal point, so it means the decimal point at the back of the 3 here. So we move 1 to the left, you cancel 0. So you add a 0 in front, you move 1, you cancel. So that means 0.03. But we do not write 0.03, so we put a 0 in front, so 0.03. 12%. So 12%, first of all, we write in fractions first, so which is 12 per 100. Now, you don't have to simplify because we want to write in decimal, so divide by 100 is easier. So no decimal point, it means rather back here, we move 1, we cancel 1, we move 1, we cancel 1. So 0.12, again, we just put a 0 in front. That's all. 130%, so 130%, it means 130 per 100. So what we do, no decimal point, it means it right back here. You move 1, cancel this one, move 1, cancel this one. So 1.30 or 1.3. 239%, it means 239 per 100. So we just write 239 over 100. So what you do, you just move the decimal point to the left 1 unit, and you move another one, you cancel this. So this means 2.39. 0.57%, it means 0.57 per 100. So what you do, move 1 to the left, the decimal point, move 1 unit to the left, you cancel this 0 out, add a 0, and move another one, I cancel this 0. So this means that 0.0057. So 0.57% is equal to 0.0057. 651.2%, it means, first of all, write fractions first. It means 651.2% mean per 100. Now to write in decimal, so what we do, we move the decimal point to the left 1 unit, we cancel this 0, move another one, cancel this 0. So that means 0.512. Now to use this, calculate to do this, what you can do, 3%, it means 3 divided by 100. Now remember, we want decimal point, so we divide by 100. 3% means 3 over 100. So over 100 is just divide. So because we want decimal, so it's 3% means 3 divided by 100, 0.3. 12%, same thing. I want decimal, I just go 12 divided by 100, 1.2. There you go. 130%, which means 130 divided by 100. See, if you use calculator, very simple. So 239%, it means 239 divided by 100. See, 2.39. Similarly, 0.57%, it means per 100. I can divide by 100, which give me 0.0057. 651.2%, I can also write per 100 like this. But then notice that if you press equal, it gives you decimal as well. Now sometimes it doesn't give you decimal, they might give you, you might get mixed numerals, so all improper fractions. All you need to do is just press SD button. It converted for you, see? SD convert to improper, SD convert to decimal. So 651.2% is equal to 6.512. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. 8%, it means 8 per 100. So 8 over 100. So now to convert to decimal, so no decimal point, it means right at the back here. So you move 1, you cancel this, I put a 0 in front, and you move 1, you put a 0 in front as well. So I cancel this 0. So the answer is 0.08. 57%, it means 57 over 100. So this means no decimal point, it means right at the back. You move 1, you cancel this. You move 1, you cancel this. This means that 0.57. 230%, it means 230 all over 100. So no decimal point, it means right at the back here. You move 1, you cancel this. You move another 1, you cancel this. So 2.3 or 2.30, doesn't matter. 234%, so it means 234 per 100. So which is equal to, you move the decimal point right at the back here, you move 1, cancel this, you move another 1, you cancel this. So this give me 2.34. Now 28%, okay, I can also write, instead of write 28, 0.28 per 100, I can also write like this, 0.28 divided by 100. It's the same thing, but because one decimal point, you can also write like this. So you divide by 100, you move this, you cancel that. Put a 0, you move this, you cancel that. So this means that 0.0028. But normally we write in fractions is easier because percent means per 100. So whichever way you like, okay? So 61.32%. So is equal to 61.32 over 100. So which equal to, I move this this decimal point to 1 to the left. I cancel this 0. You move another 1, cancel this 0. So the answer is 0.6132. Now, to use calculator to do this, I just bring the calculator up first so we can work it out by just go 8%. It means 8 divided by 100. You can just try like this, so it will give you the decimal. So 0.08. Now 57%, it means 57 divided by 100. So which is 0.57. 230%, it means 230 divided by 100. So which is 2.3. And 234%, again, divide by 100, or write over 100. Now let's see if I write over 100, what happened is this. So I write 234 over 100. Okay, it probably give you a fractions. See? But we want decimal, so you can press SD button to convert to decimal. So 2.34. So 0.28, so 0.28, then I divide by 100. So divide by 100, so equal 0.0028. Now 61.32%, so 61.32 percent mean per 100. So I can divide by 100 because I want decimal. So equal 0.6321. So to use calculator, just remember you want percentage, you times 100. You do not want percentage, you just divide by 100. And you can just convert using the SD button, either fraction or decimal. Depend the nature of the question. Thank you so much for watching.